Before we start today's episode of the Boostly podcast, I have got some exciting news to share with you. For the month of July, I am giving away 1 month trial of the Boostly Content Creator. Now you may be asking, and you may be thinking, well, what is the Boostly Content Creator? Host that I have come into contact with in the 5 years of doing Boostly. And when I say to them, you need to be posting every single day on social media, you need to be emailing your guest and your list, they always say to me, I haven't got the time. And I can't think of a better month to promote the Boostly Content Creator than July, because right now everybody around the world is busy, and they haven't got the time to think about the marketing or the social media or the emails. When in fact, the best time to do marketing is when you're at your busiest, because that means that you always have a pipeline coming through. So I created the Boostly Content Creator for busy hosts. Now, what do you get? Every single month, you get 30 to 40 pieces of fresh social media content that you can use for your social media channels, LinkedIn, Instagram, etc. You also get video templates, which are designed to stop the scroll on social media, which is really powerful. Email templates designed by expert copywriters that are working so well. Georgina Behrman messaged up in our Facebook group to say that she used one of the email templates and got free bookings, direct bookings instantly, which more than covered the cost. You also now get website headline generator tools, you get a money back guarantee, and you can cancel anytime. The price is only £5 a month. And right now, when you sign up, you go into the boostlycontentcreator.com, you add to your basket. In the coupon code section, you type in July, and you get the first month free. Now that is only available for the month of July. After that, it's £5. If you don't want to continue, you can just cancel at any time, but please make sure that you go and you use the Boostly Content Creator. My goal is in the month of July is to get 1,000 new hosts to register and sign up. This is how powerful I know this tool is, because the email templates in itself are providing a massive return of investment, and I would love for you to come and join. This is for new members only. Just go to boostlycontentcreator.com, add it to your basket, put in coupon code July, and I'll see you on the other side. Right, now we've got that out of the way, let's get on with today's podcast episode. I think over the last 5 years, I must have done well into the 1,000 website reviews. It's something that I was doing regularly when I first started, just to sort of highlight the importance of a website and the homepage in particular. And I've been looking at some surveys and some sentiment studies done by the likes of Fuel Travel and Skift, and looking at some really important blogs by the likes of Neil Patel, etc. And it keeps coming back to something that I see so many people not doing, but it has massive ramifications for those that do. Now, when somebody lands on your website, they're looking for several things. They're looking to see that you are a trustworthy business. So tools such as iPrac and the certification will be able to help with that. They're looking that you have nice properties, good photos, etc. And what they're looking for is they're looking for testimonials. Now, so many people I see do this wrong. They just copy and paste something in from an Airbnb review or something like that and just put it on the website, but they do not look trustworthy. They do not look real. So I've been messing around with a few different types of software, but Reviews is one that has been specifically designed for short-term rentals. Now, I've used Reperso in the past. Reperso are good, nice and cheap, etc., but they are not designed specifically for the world of hospitality. Reviews are, and I recommend everybody go and check them out. We've recently put them on one of our client websites, Alpine Lodging CA. And as you can see, when you land on the site, the pop-up comes up here and it shows all 200 reviews, 4.94 in their ranking, which again is nice. It instantly has that sort of ability to show the user, the guest, the future potential guest, that this is a business that is very popular. So again, these types of systems and setups cost less than $20 a month, but the beauty of it is that you can get well into 100% return of investment by having reviews on there, because the recent study that came out was 87% of people have said that they will go looking for a review of your business. And when they bounce and when they leave your website, they never come back, because once they start that search again, they get sucked in by Booking.com, they get sucked in by Airbnb, they get sucked in by TripAdvisor. And once they go onto those sites, then their mousetrap kicks in, or they'll recommend other properties. So again, just for a very minimal outlay every month, will have really big benefits on your direct bookings. So go to reviews.com and go and check them out. Like I say, they are one of the only review sites that is actually 100% dedicated to the short-term rentals industry. It was created by a host who was having this problem, and he's created a really good product. So again, go check them out. I don't get any referrals for mentioning that. They're just some good people, fantastic people, and I recommend them. So go and check them out. Make sure you get reviews on your site, whoever you do use. There's quite a few out there. And as always, I will be back tomorrow with another podcast episode. My goal is to do a year's worth of daily videos and podcasts to help hosts all over the world bounce back from last year, survive and thrive, and all that good stuff. All I ask in return is you give this video a thumbs up if you're watching on the YouTube. If you are new to this, please subscribe. And if you want to come and find out more about Boostly, go to boostly.co.uk. And tell me that you've come from the podcast. So many of you do, which is fantastic. I appreciate every single one of you. And I shall be back tomorrow for another episode.
Having a blast, gonna get it on the Boostly podcast. Boostly like Bruce Lee, cause it's so hard and the T is loose leaf. Making up those rhymes, don't write it, just do it loosely.